Hello guys, FairBinaryOptions.com. Over the weekend, as this being Sunday, the 9th of November, I would like to discuss, of course, the Great Britain Pound US dollar. Why, of course? Because we have here a pattern that is visible from the moon on the 4-hour chart, visible on the daily chart as well. This is nothing but a falling wedge, or at least it is looking like a falling wedge. I'm talking about the whole move that started from the 1711, 172 actually, to the downside. And I would say that it goes in the following structure. Like any falling wedge, it needs to have 5 waves. This would be the first wave here to the downside. Then the second wave to be done here. The third wave here. The fourth wave at the end of this contracting triangle, A, B, C, D, E, the fourth wave, and then the fifth wave here. Normally, like any rising wedge or falling wedge, it should travel within the 1 and 3 and 2 to 4 trend lines. This would be the 1 to 3 trend line. Like this. This to be the 2 to 4 trend line. And now we should look for market to try a bit to move into breaking the 2 to 4 trend line, and this break is going to be quite important because it comes again above 160. Now it is 58.66 was at least the closing on Friday. So it's going to be extremely interesting to see how this market is going to play, especially considering the fact that we are going to have the inflation report in the United Kingdom next week. We're going to have Governor Carney discussing, of course, giving us more details about the inflation report and what to look for and so on and so forth. And more importantly, if you want, we will have the claimant count changed and the unemployment rate in the kingdom. And I would say that that is going to be a game changer, at least for the rest of the year. Now, normally we should go and trade it to the upside. So the plan is to buy call options at the opening on Monday. And the plan is to see how the market is doing here at the end of the first wave here. So, or in this area here, what this market is doing. As you can see, it is the B2D trend line. Ideally, we should see below the B2D trend line a bit of a consolidation area on the 4-hour chart, something like a day, two, maybe even more, maybe even 1 week for the next week. But that should be a consolidation in the form of a continuation pattern. So looking either as at a triangle in the form of a pennant or stuff like that. Well, it remains to be seen if these markets are going to indeed provide us with some let's say confirmation of our analysis. But what I would like to do here on Monday is to looking to buy call options with end of week expiration date on the Great Britain Pound and the US dollar, based of course on this falling wedge. Now this falling wedge is quite an important pattern, and normally price should rest above 160 at the end of the week. It remains to be seen. Thank you very much for being here. Have a great day. Bye bye.